Okay, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to insert images and web addresses into your blog post. So this is assuming you already have your blog set up and created an account. So we're going to add a new blog post. We'll call this Images and Web Pages. How to insert. So how to insert an image. We'll add a new line down here. Okay, you're going to go up to the plus add block up here. You're going to click image. You can use one from the media library on WordPress. You can add one from a web page, or you can upload from your own folder on your computer. So we'll add this softball. And you can change the sizing, you can write a caption. And there's that. So then how to add a web address or web page. You're going to go to, so I want to insert a YouTube video. So I'm going to click on the video that I want to use. And then we're going to go down here to share. And you can just embed the link, but I prefer to embed it with the code. So I'm going to copy this, go back to my blog, and I'm going to just paste the code in there. Write HTML and then paste it. And save draft. So when you see it on your side of it, you're going to have just the code, but once you press preview, that will convert over and it will upload the YouTube video for you. And that's how you embed both an image and a web page or a video into your WordPress blog.